Omugavana we county ya Embu Cecily Mbarire ritko ria rero nigatebire buna Raila tabwati birengereri bya gucia asaba Kenya ase ebirengereri byaye bire ebyugusalina ko gosiria abakenya bande ase eboigo bya ya enekiwe buna obonchoreria obonge nigo bwabeire ko baboko bokwirana inse ase Raila ase amentana goteba buna Raila ase omwaka bw'eshiri 2022 no ari mutenyi ogatano narimo ekero ayarorekanete buna komenta kwe bintu kwa negetiwe Raila no aringe ase serikali korende kende ngeyo akorete nabo igo ekera goteba na ibire tu chikura nigate ateba buna ekina kigento akobaka gotumeka kirengaki nabo igo nigo amentana goteba buna chi campaign cha Raila tachikorete buya ekikirerete gotaira chikura echu.
It is evident that Mr. Odinga's peaceful demonstration, in quotes, were neither peaceful nor were they demonstrations. Instead, they degenerated into looting sprees, orgies of mindless distraction, running battles with law enforcement officers, and intimidation and terrorism of other Kenyans to stop them from carrying on with their work and life. Lie number 2. The principal reasons offered by Mr. Odinga for organizing and implementing anarchy on such a tremendous scale are the cost of living and the 2022 election, which claims was stolen. Yet, as recently as June 2022, Mr. Odinga was the government's foremost defender, attributing the rising cost of living to factors beyond the government's control, which also affected other countries. As regards the election, Mr. Odinga did not invest half as much effort and seriousness into his campaign as he did in defending the Jubilee government, or as he has done in organizing and supervising large-scale economic sabotage throughout the country. Moreover, Mr. Odinga's so-called peaceful demonstrations were a transparently disingenuous campaign of large-scale urban banditry and nothing else. Yes. No petition was delivered to any government office as promised. There was no march or delegation to State House as promised, not unless Mr. Odinga lost his bearing and searched for State House or Harambee House in Nairobi's Mbarire and sections of Eastlands. These orgies of mindless chaos were conducted on the basis of a blatant lie. Hypocrisy. It is obvious that Mr. Odinga's actions have nothing to do with the reasons he has given, and everything to do with his well-known post-election routine, whereby he uses the threat of post-election sabotage and mass action to extort power-sharing arrangements with the government of the day. It is also a continuation of Mr. Odinga's propensity for violent attempts at capturing power, which began in 1982. It is a demonstration of Mr. Odinga's contempt for democracy and the rule of law, constitutionalism, as well as peace. Times are indeed hard, and Kenyans are trying their best to get going. Anyone making life so much more unbearable through selfishly motivated political violence is unlikely to be viewed with